Welcome to the VidNotes YouTube page. Let me explain to you what VidNotes is. Are you struggling with chemistry, biology, physics, pre-calculus, calculus, English, history, or any other school-related topic? Well, VidNotes is a solution for you. Let me explain to you what the VidNotes system is. We have two videos for any of our topics in which we cover. There's a premium video and a free video. Essentially, depending on the membership in which you have, you can get access to either one of those videos. So the purpose is that you will watch the video at home, and you can print off a note package on our website corresponding to that video. You can take notes, watch that video 5 times, 7 times, 8 times, as many times as you want to master the concept, and hopefully that'll result in an A+ on your test. So that's essentially what the VidNotes system is. As long as the video in which you're looking for is in our library currently, you can watch that video, take notes with it, and hopefully that'll result in the test. Let me explain to you the memberships in which we have. We have 3 types of memberships. We have a premium membership, a limited ad membership, and a free trial membership. Free trial is a trial in which for 7 days you get access to all our premium content for free. You can go to our website and just check it out and see if you like it. Then we have for $9.95 per month, and what you'll get is on a permanent basis, you'll get access to all our membership stuff, all our new videos which are updated regularly, and yeah, that's what you get for $9.95 per month. And also we have a limited premium ad membership in which for free, all you have to do is post 3 times a week on your social networking sites, and you'll get access to an equivalent premium membership. So it's the same premium membership that you'd have to pay for $9.95, but all you have to do instead is post 3 times a week, and that is limited. We will only take a certain amount of people for that. So if you're interested in that, go to our website and see if the slot's still available. And if you want, just go to our website and try our free trial membership and look at our premium content and see if you like it, and see if it'll be beneficial for you to subscribe to the $9.95 one per month. So thank you for everything, and thanks for watching, and subscribe.